Example application. Yes, boss. Today is example application. Tell me, what are the different types of annotations we are having? Annotations for configuration, annotations for data supply or injection, annotation for Spring Bean lifecycle, miscellaneous annotations. Right. Why they are called, why certain annotations are called stereotype annotations? Tell me. They all do similar works. They all do. They all do. They all do similar work with minor changes. Right now, boss? Super. What is the similar work, guys? Base common thing is they make Java class as Spring Bean. Most common thing is they make Java class as Spring Bean. Right, boss? Annotations for data supply, boss. These are annotations for data supply. Super. At the rate named, at the rate inject, at the rate resource. Java config annotations. Alternate for what? Data supply annotations and configuration annotations, boss. These are Spring Bean lifecycle annotation. These are miscellaneous annotations. Okay, what is the example application we thought yesterday, guys? Vehicle is the target class. Okay. Diesel engine, petrol engine, CNG engine, electric engine. All the dependent classes implementing common interface. Right, boss? We have a property of type engine. Okay, I want to inject. But what's the problem? If I try to inject all these dependents to single property, since all the dependents are same type, all the dependents are what? Same type. Come on. What is there? Ambiguity problem will come. Expected single matching, found 4. So to solve that, what is the best solution, guys? At the rate qualifier. To solve that, what is the best solution? At the rate qualifier. Right, boss? Right. Shall we get into today's discussion, boss? Open this. Example application on. Example application on. Tell me. Okay. Field injection. Solving the ambiguity problem. Solving the ambiguity problem. Super, guys. Array, I'm a bit busy. I'm not able to upload programs to Git. Very soon I'll upload, guys. Okay. Please don't remind me every day. Yeah, in 1-2 days I do that work. Step number 1. Create springboot starter project. Create springboot starter project. Come on, guys. Springboot starter project. I hope everyone watched strategy design pattern, guys. All new people who joined recently. I hope you people watched strategy design pattern. Strategy DP. Strategy DP. Strategy design patterns. Create springboot starter project, guys. Having the following details. Okay. No, right now, today also, no starters, basic starters are enough. Can you stop the videos, my dear? Everyone, can you stop the videos, my dear? Yeah. What strategy DP says, guys? Strategy DP says, develop the target and dependent classes as loosely coupled as loosely coupled interchangeable parts. Interchangeable parts by following the given principles. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Principles. Rule number 1. What is rule number 1? Favor composition. Come on. I hope newcomers watched the strategy design pattern. Favor composition. What is that? As a relation. As a relation over the inheritance. Over the inheritance. Right, boss? Rule number 2. Okay. Right, boss. Tell me next one. Favor composition over the inheritance. Inheritance is what, guys? Is a relationship, right? Is a relation. Tell me. Always code to interfaces. To achieve interfaces are abstract classes. That means never code to what, guys? Never code to concrete classes. To achieve loose coupling, right, boss? To achieve loose coupling. Achieve loose coupling. Exactly, we are going to do that today. Rule number 3. Our code must be open for extension and must be closed for modification. Must be open for extension and must be closed for modification. Clear, my dear? Create Spring Boot starting project. Okay, for this, what you should do, guys? If you take the classes as final classes, what happens? If you take the class as final classes, can we develop subclass for that? Can we develop subclass for that? Can we override the superclass methods in subclass when superclass is final class? So indirectly our code is closed for modification or not? Indirectly our code is closed for modification or not? So rule number 3, take the classes as final classes. Got it? Super. Okay. Now let me launch Eclipse IDE here, boss. Okay. Those who have not studied strategy design pattern, don't worry. In the implementation, you will feel it. In the implementation, you will definitely feel it. In the implementation, you can definitely feel it. Tell me. I hope the people who failed, the people who got problems in first application development, at least observe second application. Yeah, Spring Boot starter project, right? Spring Boot starter project. Net connection is required, compulsory. Boot cross 02. Okay, boot cross 02. Tell me. Strategy DP. Strategy DP. What is this? Even. Packing jar. 17 Java. 17 Java. com.ent. What is the group name? Naresh IT. NIT. Naresh IT. NIT. Naresh IT. NIT. Say next. Say next. save finish. Say next, save finish. Say next, save finish. Create Spring Boot starter project having the following details. Super. Super. Now tell me, no need array. Basic jars are sufficient. Basic jars are sufficient. File menu, Spring starter project. File menu, Spring starter project. Come on. File menu, Spring starter project. Jar. Next, finish. Super guys. Name of the project is this. Array, always take root package bit top at the hierarchy. Because on the top of this root package class only @Spring Boot application comes. So that internally components can't come. Anyhow, you will take all other packages as sub packages of this root package. So component scanning on current package and sub package will take place automatically or not, boss? Super, boss. Today also no auto configuration because we didn't add special jars. We did not add special jars. Come on. Add the following packages in src/main/java folder. src/main/java folder. Already one package is there. Let's add some more package. com.nt.sbeans. Sbeans means Spring Beans. Sbeans means Spring Beans. Understanding my statement, guys? Super, guys. Okay. Fbeans means Spring Beans, guys. Anyhow, client application code we write there itself. Yes, boss. Step number 3. Develop target and dependent Spring Beans. Target and dependent Spring Bean. Come on. Okay. Right, boss. Target and Spring Beans in com.nt.sbeans package by following. What is there, guys? Strategy DP. By following strategy DP. Okay, boss. Right click, guys. First, I should see all things implementing common interface now. Here is engine. What is there? Engine.java. Common interface. Engine.java common interface. For engine, 2 things will be there, guys. Public void start, public void stop. We start the engine, we stop the engine. Right, boss? Super. We stop the engine, we start the engine. Right, guys? Super. Next, class boss. What is the class, guys? Diesel engine. Diesel engine. Tell me, here is my engine interface. Here is my engine interface. Super, guys. Diesel engine is one of the dependent class, guys. It is one of the dependent class. Okay, boss. Tell me, it's a user-defined class. What's the best way of making user-defined class as Spring Bean, my dear? Stereotype annotations, right? At the rate component. In today's example, is there any predefined class, guys? Target user-defined. Dependents, all possible depends also user-defined, right, boss? D-engine. To give the feeling which object is created, control space, constructor, only for our reference. Only for our reference. Sys out. Sys out. Okay. Diesel engine. Zero param constructor. Super, guys. Systrace start method. Yeah, for predefined classes, if you want to make predefined class as Spring Bean, what is the right annotation? At the rate bean annotation, right? At the rate bean annotation. File save as, okay, petrol engine Bob. Petrol engine dot Java. Change the class name to petrol engine. Check this one, guys. Paste it, Rabba. Paste it. Petrol engine dot Java. Right, boss? Super. Copy this. Change it this one to petrol engine. Petrol engine. Petrol engine dot start. Petrol engine dot stop. Super, guys. Here, P engine. Okay, we'll take one more engine, guys. Nowadays, save as. Next one is what? What is there? Hybrid engine. Electric engine is also there, but let me take electric engine. Electric engine dot Java. Electric engine dot Java. E engine was. Here is my electric engine dot Java. Electric engine, guys. Here is my electric engine. Super. Here is my electric engine. Here is my electric engine. Here is my electric engine, electric engine. Electric engine dot Java. At the rate component E engine. Zero param constructor, start, stop, everything. Okay, all these are dependent classes, my dear. Now I have to develop the target class now, boss. Class. Vehicle. Class vehicle. Now tell me, guys. One vehicle will have only one engine, no doubt in that. One vehicle will have only one engine, no doubt in that. Vehicle, CL, don't worry. Rename the file, vehicle. One vehicle will have only one engine, no doubt in that. But, no, better to take property type as electric engine or just interface type. Better to take property type as interface type or electric engine type. Interface type, so that I can inject what? I can inject one of the three possible engines, Rabab. I can inject one of the three possible engines. What do you say, boss? At the rate component vehicle. Super guys. Has a property. What property? Has a property. Private engine, engine. Private engine. At the rate auto. At the rate auto. Super, my dear. Sys trace vehicle zero param constructor. Vehicle zero param constructor. Public void move method. String source place. Okay, string destination place. String source place, string destination place. Right now, boss. Super. Tell me. Journey started. Okay, first what I should say. Injected engine dot start. Engine started. Okay, then what I should say, guys? Journey started from source place. Source place. Next, guys, sys out. Journey is going on. Journey is going on. Right now, boss. Journey is going on. Array, it is not a serious business class now, boss. You are not. Do I need any transaction management? A serious do everything or nothing principle is required. That's why component is sufficient. When you have serious transaction management kind of activity, then think about service, right? Not normal Java class as Spring Boot. Okay. Engine dot stop. Engine dot stop. Super, guys. Sys out. Journey stopped at destination place. Journey stopped at destination. Array, I am not only injecting Ra Babu, I am trying to use injected engine. Injected engine. Tell me, I am starting the engine, I am stopping the engine. Super. Right. And all these are there in the sub package of root package class, where at the rate Spring Boot application annotation is there. Anyhow, that internally contain at the rate component scan and detects all the Spring Beans days. Detects all these Spring Beans. What do you say, my dear? Detects or not? Detects or not? Super. Okay. First, I will show the problem, then I will solve the problem. Go to main class, boss. Okay. Yeah. Get IOC content. Application context CTX is equal. Super. I'm creating container, getting access to container. I'm getting access to container, which is already created by run method. Other day I have given a lot of information, right? Yeah, error will come. To show error only I'm doing this. Please don't excite. Don't excite Mohit. Okay. Get target Spring Bean class object. Vehicle. Okay. What is there? Vehicle is equal to vehicle is equal cx dot get bean vehicle dot class ctx dot get bean vehicle dot class. Understanding my statement, guys? Right, boss? Okay. Am I back, boss? Am I moving? My hand is moving. Screen stuck up. Now it's back, na, boss? Super. Super, super. Array SRC test folder for writing unit testing code. JUnit based unit testing. Invoke the business. New Year coming. Where the you people wants to go? Tell me. New Year is coming. Where you people wants to go? Vehicle.move method. Start place. I want to go to Hyderabad. I want to start from Hyderabad. Where you want to go? Goa. I know from everyone more. Same statement will come, right? But try this. Try this. Those who got job, enjoy your New Year day. Enjoy your Pongal. Those who don't have job, sacrifice it. Sacrifice it and tell to yourself, next to New Year, I will celebrate with my own money. I celebrate for entire family members and friends with my own money. That makes you to do lot of hard work. When you are in journey, process of getting success, sacrifice is required, guys. Sacrifice is required. When I used to take offline classes, still I'm ready to take offline classes. Very soon they will be started. On my birthday, a lot of students used to bring cakes for cake cutting. I used to ask, with whose money you brought this? With whose money? Right? Right, boss. Right click, run on Java application. Check it out. Exception is expected and exception will come. Why exception will come? Using, it is clearly telling the error, na boss. It is clearly telling the error. What is the error? Unsatisfied dependency expressed. Expected single matching, but found 3. Because all are interface type now, boss. You thought that I need one job, but you have given 10 interviews. In that one, 7 companies released offer letters. Then your state is ambiguous state or not? Which one to reject, which one to accept? You will ask a number of people, including me. Okay, so far, what is the track record? 2 months period, 14 offer letters. 2 months period, shown gap as experience, 2 months period, 14 offer letters. That is the track record. If anyone beats it, let me know. I will make your one. What is the highest package? Shown 3 to 4 years gap as experience and only Java server-side programming, not even full stack development. Not even full stack development. 17 lakh package. 17. Purely gap as experience. As a fresher, 7 to 8 lakh package has come. I'm not talking about IIT backgrounds, REC background, NIT background. I'm talking about normal, regular engineering college students who believed themselves, who believed in Java, who believed in me, who believed in Harkrishna sir. They got these results. First, believe yourself, boss. If you don't believe yourself, no one make you to believe you. Yes, at that time Spring is there, springBoot is there. Now, how to solve this problem, guys? @ qualifier. Which one engine? Which engine you want to inject? People are talking about electrical engines right now. E-engine. People are talking about electric engines nowadays, right, boss? Super. Why electric engines, guys? They run with power. So power means no pollution, right? Power means no pollution. Stupid guy. That's wrong, Rabo. That's wrong. Most of the power generation is happening from where, guys? Come on, come on. Most of the power generation is happening from where? Thermal power. Thermal power input is what, guys? Coal. Coal burning will generate koela, bogu. In Telugu, Bogu. Coal burning does it not generate pollution? Does not generate pollution. That means instead of seeing pollution in the cities, we are making for village people getting pollution. So that's why don't ever say electric cars are best because they are reducing pollution. Or equally they are increasing pollution in other part of the world. Earlier pollution used to be there in cities because of these diesel and petrol cars. If you go for electrical cars, it will be shifted somewhere else. It will be shifted somewhere else. Right now, boss? Okay. Super. Actually, hydrogen cars are happening, boss, which runs with water, which is going to run with water. So that is going to solve all the problems. Got my dear? H2O engines. They separate H from oxygen, and with hydrogen, they are going to run the vehicle. Lot of experiments are happening, lot of R&D is happening. Maybe my generation and your generation may not see full-fledged hydrogen cars, guys. But next generation will definitely see full-fledged hydrogen cars, no doubt in that. World is moving towards non-diesel environment. Diesel will be outdated one or other day. So many companies stopped manufacturing diesel vehicles. Right. So now, what is the one I have given, boss? Engine, E-engine. Right, boss? Right. Super. Run as Java application. See, guys, all classes are pre-instantiated, right? Start, Hyderabad, going on, engine stopped, this one. That means happily injected or not. Happily injected or not, guys. All these are happily injected or not, boss. Come on, my dear. Okay. Could we use qualifier for specific engine? That's what I have done, my dear. When you want to give clarity, which type of engine you want, which kind of engine you want. Yeah, if you want to see same effect with the primary, go to one or other dependent bean, add primary, boss. Add primary. Come on, Tanmay Das, all these experiments we have done yesterday in Spring Basics, really studied all these things, right? Studied or not studied? Definitely we studied all these things. Super na, boss. Easy. Whatever we studied. I will give flow also. Don't worry. Let me paste the code. Fine. Okay. I know that. Sir, whenever I want to change the engine, I have to modify this source code now, boss. Yes. That is a separate discussion I will take up as part of improvisation. Without touching source code, you want to change one engine to another engine? Okay, next class. Then as part of improvisation. First, let me give this basic code. First of all, let me give this basic code. Right, boss. Okay, guys. So let me paste this code. Yeah. If you want to get more and more loose coupling, you have to take the support of. You need to take the support of properties file, aliasing, lot of concepts are there. Lot of concepts are involved, boss. One by one, we will see, guys.